What's up, C Squad?
It's Nigel C.
And Daddy C.
Of Dad and Son.
Kick Talk.
And today we're kick talking about
something that I wanted to bring to the forefront of the congregation, and it is the Nike Calm slides. So before we get into the slides and have a little discussion here, Nigel, if it's their first time here, what should they do?
You need to ring that notification bell because you're here watching this video. Leave the video, go down a little bit.
Don't leave,
subscribe. Press subscribe, press the bell right next to it, then come back to the video, like the video before you do all that, and then that's all you gotta do. Thank you, love you.
Appreciate you. And if you've been here before, thanks for rocking with us and vibing with us. We are almost to 4K.
Yeah,
and then we on
catch us at 4K.
That's it. Let's go. Thanks for the support. We love each and every one of you. Appreciate the likes, the comments, talking on YouTube, talking on IG at Real Daddy Seed, all those things.
Yeah.
All right. So, calm slides, right?
These the calm ones.
The
These
calm.
not the slides. They're the calm slides.
I don't know why they make you calm, make you feel calm.
They calm, you know what I'm saying? They calm.
They just calm.
They're calm.
So Nike, there's a void in sneakers, right? In the game right now with Kanye, Yeezy is kind of coming back and doing some things. We don't know how long that's going to last, if Kanye and them are going to reconcile or whatever. They did drop some Yeezy pairs a little while ago, and there's more coming soon. Supposedly some more things, slides and things like that hitting Foot Locker for, the next couple of weeks. But in any event, without the constant drops of Yeezy foams, Yeezy slides, and 350 B2, Nike
game is disrupted.
That's it. It's a disruption, right? Like a rip in the matrix. And Nike said, I think we're going to enter the chat. And we're going to put our entry out there.
Yeah.
Of course, they make Jordan slides and Nike slides all the time, right? But this is a direct kind of face-off with Yeezy.
Yeah.
First off, let's look at the box, right?
All right.
This is the Nike Calm slide.
All right. When you see Nike making just straight brown cardboard boxes.
Exactly. So you got that. But yeah, they just rolled in with a straight brown cardboard box.
I like how the Nike, the swoosh is just like a cut out.
Yeah, true story. Cool. But yeah, they said we're going to just do a basic box. And then in here, we're going to do this Nike Calm slide.
Yeah.
Now these are not mine.
They look familiar, don't they?
Donated for content. My guy Wes, appreciate you, bro. But yeah, single foam construction, right? Similar to something that we've seen before. And from first, what I'm hearing from people that I know that have these, they're not loving the comfort, right? They're not loving the comfort. It's definitely like a hard bottom to this, which may have something to do with it. Because on the competition, Yeezy, like this is like a sneaker bottom. Like it's really hard.
Hello? Anyone in there?
So you got that going. And the foam itself is not as cushiony as what we've seen from Yeezy.
I mean, look at the moldability of it. It's like
you
can't really push on this.
Yeah.
You got the Yeezy slides.
Let's bring in the Yeezy slide.
Which, by the way,
what you thinking? Here, let me give you this so you can have the same foot.
All right. You guys recognize anything? Any similarities?
You think it's kind of like a straight ripoff?
I think it's a straight ripoff of the Yeezy slide, which, not that I can really say anything against it because the ripoffs is something that's been done since sneakers were invented.
That's true. Somebody does something, the next person says, let me borrow that.
All right. It's not like they copied and pasted it, but it's, it's really, really familiar.
Nike definitely said, let me borrow your homework and let me just change up a few things.
Exactly. Yeah. But I'm the teacher, and I know that they cheating.
But yeah, so the difference you feel like in the foam, man, that squishability, I guess, it feels so much softer on the Yeezy. This is my daughter's pair.
Look at the top. You can even tell here. Look at this. Whoop. Right.
Yeah, it's a lot softer.
It's like,
wow, this is like
doesn't move.
Very sturdy.
It doesn't. Look at it.
And this foam inside is very this not super cushiony. Not like like when you put the Yeezy slides on, honestly, it's like stepping in a cloud. Your feet are happy. You see people wearing them all the time. And I have friends I know that have got these and sent them back. They said no, they didn't like them that much. I'm like, man, you just returned them?
Nah, I'm never wearing these.
Straight up, returned them. Not comfortable. And that's what I've been hearing. I don't know if you guys out there, I mean, and again, the price point, right? These are $50. And they've been just dropping them, releasing them. Haven't seen anything big about, people clamoring for them where they're over $100 like, these were up there, like 300 and the crazy prices like at their height.
$50 is kind of honestly a steal.
Yeah, this is like an easy pair, just grab. You need some slides. But again, the comfort is not going to give you Yeezy. But again, if you never had Yeezy, doesn't matter. You know what I'm saying? Or, you know, I mean, you wear regular slides, regular flip-flops, whatever you put on your feet.
Right.
I guess they work.
Yeah, if you want a pair of slides, you got no, point of reference. Then you just get these for $50 real cheap, just put them on your feet.
And rock and roll.
It works,
That's it. So that's kind of our take on it. I don't have a real dog in this race. Yeah. I got Yeezys and I've got Crocs, some Salahis.
You can break it down though.
Yeah. All right, what's your thoughts on the way they look at the outset?
I think it looks, compared to the Yeezy slides, I think it looks pretty cool.
Yeah.
Because, the Nike symbol in here, look at the swoosh. It's like built into the ridges that they got in the feet here.
Yeah, it's
pretty cool.
It's called deboss.
Deboss.
So,
right, they debossed the swoosh in here.
Yeah, so deboss goes in.
Right.
Emboss comes out.
Ah.
I got that now.
Wow.
In memory.
Hey.
That's one to grow on.
Yeah, I'm gonna need to know that.
So deboss.
Yeah. I like the swoosh on the outside here. The bottom's pretty cool.
That's true. I mean, the bottom being as durable as it is, I mean, I will say the Yeezys will definitely wear down. Like, the longer you wear these, people, you see people on the street. I think there was even a meme going around, like, if your ridges are gone on your Yeezy slides, it's time to let them go.
Right.
Like,
you be gone? Dang.
Yeah, like if some people wear these joints all the time.
True that, yeah.
On concrete and all that stuff, like, it'll eventually wear down. So when that happens, it's time to let them go. But these are
definitely more durable.
Yeah. So
which I respect.
And for me on the outset, looking at them, they look cool. I mean, I give them a 7 to 8. Look like a Nike slide.
Right.
I see these in like the DSG or something hanging with all the other slides. I probably would say, oh, let me check these out.
Yeah.
Because they look Yeezy-esque, but then they're not Yeezy, and then they don't have that Yeezy price tag.
Right, they don't got that Yeezy price tag. That is ridiculous.
I mean, these were like, 70 or 80 if you can get them on drop day.
Yeah, you just stole these.
Stole them,
basically.
Nah. So anyway, that's it. That's my take on these.
Yeah.
Pros and cons, I don't really have a whole lot for you. These are definitely not as cushy and comfy.
Yeah.
Let me know what y'all think about them out there.
What's y'all rating? Let us know.
That's it. Let us know, how do you rank these? Are these your new go-to footwear for casual, comfy foot stuff?
Peace.
All right, y'all. Peace out.